Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you about conditional statements. So suppose na meron tayong conditional statement dito. So if P, then Q. So first we have negation. So here we have if P, then Q. So first we have negation. So what is negation? So it basically says that that particular event is not going to happen. So you kindly write these formulas. This is our formulas for our conditional statement. So we have converse here. So binaliktad lang siya. If Q, then P. So kapag inverse naman, if negation P, then negation Q. And contrapositive, we have if negation Q, then negation P. And it also can be biconditional. So yeah, so take notes for these things because you need this. So let's have an example here. If you live in the Philippines, then you live in Mindoro. So hindi ko pala nasabi kanina, yung nandito, yung P. So dito write yung if P. So this is P. It is also called the hypothesis. And then you live in Mindoro, we can also call it the conclusion or Q. So first, let's find out what is the converse. So yung converse is just binaliktad lang siya. So it will be if Q, then P, right? So ang magiging statement dito is if you live in Mindoro, and let's just read it. Then you live in the Philippines. So as we can see, pinabaliktad lang siya. So yan yung converse statement niya. So kapag inverse naman, negation lang siya, right? So if negation P, then negation Q. So if you don't live in the Philippines, then you don't live in Mindoro. So, natetest out dito yung English writing natin, right? Yung English grammars. So, sa contrapositive naman tayo. So, pinabaliktad lang to na inverse. So, if you don't live in Mindoro, oh my gosh, what I'm doing with my typings, then you don't live in the Philippines. So, it's just pretty easy, right? Okay guys, I'm gonna put it in here. There you go. So that's it for this problem. So tandaan lang tayo mga. Now let's move on to our second problem. So if I'm hungry, then I will eat burger. So dito naman, if Q, then P dapat siya. So if I eat burger, then I'm hungry. Okay, let's move on to inverse naman. So negation lang siya. If negation P, then if negation Q. Wait. I'm struggling with my typing. So if I am not hungry, then I am not going to eat burger. I will not eat burger. So yeah, truth naman yun. Kung di ka gutom, then di ako kain ng burger. So now let's move on to contrapositive. So dito naman is just binaliktad na inverse. So yung inverse na yun is just binaliktad rin ulit. So if I do not eat burger, then I am not hungry. So that's just basically it for this video. I hope you learned something and you write the formulas. And have a good day. Goodbye.